In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a meeting, a class, or just sharing something cool you found on the internet, knowing how to present your screen in Google Meet is essential for effective online communication. With just a few clicks, you can share your ideas with anyone, anywhere. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. After you're signed in, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. This is your first step into the world of online presentations with Google Meet. After you click on New Meeting, you'll see a few options pop up. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect for when you want to start sharing straight away. Without scheduling a meeting in advance, it's quick, it's easy, and it gets you right into the action. Once your meeting is live, you'll notice a variety of options at the bottom of the screen. One of these is the Present button. Clicking this button is your next step. It's a pivotal moment because it's where you choose what part of your screen you want to share with your audience. Now you're going to be faced with a decision. What exactly do you want to present? Google Meet gives you the option to present your entire screen, a window, or a specific Chrome tab. For most presentations that involve browsing or showing specific online content, choosing a Chrome tab is the way to go. It keeps your presentation focused on the content you want to share without exposing your entire desktop or other information you might want to keep private. After you've selected the Chrome tab you want to present, there's only one step left. Clicking Share. Once you do that, your selected content will be live for all participants in the Google Meet to see. A few things to remember for a smooth presentation. Make sure you have all the tabs you intend to share open and organized before your meeting starts. This will help you switch between content seamlessly during your presentation. Also, keep an eye on the chat or ask for verbal feedback occasionally to ensure your attendees are following along without any issues. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to share your ideas, projects, or just fun content with anyone through Google Meet. Whether you're presenting for work, school, or leisure, these steps will ensure you can share your screen confidently and professionally. Happy presenting!